Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu-alaikum. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you what is research gap and how to identify gaps in literature. So let's get started. Firstly, we will discuss what is research gap. Research gap is a problem which is not covered properly. It may be stemming from deficiency of appropriate data to support the thesis title and literature gap, which means the lacking or incomplete piece of information in the academic research literature which is not investigated or studied. A research gap basically means there are some areas that have significant scope for more research, but they have not been investigated by other researchers. In other words, no one has picked up or worked on these ideas. Our research gap refers to such unexplored or underexplored areas that have scope for further research. Now we will discuss how to identify gaps in literature. The first step is look at published literature for inspiration. Search in published papers for what inspires you and satisfy your research problem inquiries. Secondly, ask for your research advisor support. Ask for your supervisor's assistance to create new ideas. State your problems related to your field of study. This will help you to clarify your research area. Added to that, your methods error by articulating your ideas and learning what others think and work. When you believe that help on the topic will be necessary, you have to tell your supervisor about that. Thirdly, using digital tools to look for common subjects or most of the research papers. You should use digital resources to familiarize with yourself with the trending queries in your area, as they can bar time and help you cast a broader net in your quest for research void. To know which topics are considered significant, websites such as Critical Science Indicator that classify the most cited papers in the field and emerging branches, prominent authors, publications and countries in that field can be beneficial. You can also use Google Trends to study more about the current questions relevant to your study area. Fourth one is to check prominent journal websites. There is always a segment called Main Concepts on influential journals where experts in the region highlight the core ideas in that field. So you have to check prominent journal websites. Fifthly, make your questions a note. It is a good idea to remember reading any written literature that cross your mind. You can map the query to the resource set. If possible, you must have to write all the queries. The sixth and the last one is study each of the question. To maintain a record, you can use tables, charts, photographs or software. In the long run, this will benefit you when you turn your idea into a research issue or even when you write your manuscript. That's all about today's video. It would help if you used the suggestions given in this video to find out what works for you, because there is no particular method to pick out outstanding or fascinating research problems. Keep reading and asking questions before the specific issue you have been looking for is found. That's all. Till now, if you haven't subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it so that you can get the notification of coming videos. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.